Are you looking for the best compact router in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best compact router that is available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Dewalt DWP611PK. It is the best compact router available in the market. On the other hand, it is the first and favorite choice of most of the professional of woodworking. Because of its multifunctional design, it is able to handle most types of jobs. The product is also easy to use, durable and provide an excellent return on the money. With its motor of 1.25 HP, it is able to generate the most power to handle different types of applications with ease. On the other hand, it comes with the feature of the variable speed control system. This will enable you to do and handle the jobs efficiently. As the performance of this best compact router is admirable as well. At number 4, Makita RT0701CX7. Makita is in the market as one of the most powerful items. It comes with the adjustable speed system, so you can adjust speed between 10,000 and 30,000 RPM. Therefore, you are able to handle different types of jobs very easily. The tool is just perfect to produce eye-catching and smooth products for commercial as well as personal use. So, it is the best compact router if you want to handle such projects with ease. But there are some brands which are frustrating to use. So, Makita is in the market to solve all these issues very well. It is comfortable to use because of ergonomic and slim design. So, you are able to control this when you are working on any type of project. At number 3, Dewalt DWP611, best affordable compact router. The brand is famous for making many quality tools which are able to satisfy the needs of most of the people. It is also a well-engineered tool that comes with many impressive features. Dewalt is the best option if you're looking for a best compact router which will handle the tough jobs easily. It comes with a 1.25 HP motor that is powerful as well as durable. The tool has also a feature of a speed controller for customizing the performance on demand. So, you can do various jobs of routing with the help of this router. On the other hand, it has a soft starting motor which is reliable to use. You can also adjust its ring that customizes its depth to get the required results. It has also 2 LED lights to illuminate work surfaces very well. So, there is no doubt it is the best compact router. At number 2, Bosch 1617 EVS. Bosch is one of the most reputable brands in the construction industry because of their excellent performance. It will never let you down if you are looking for the best routing experience. So, it is one of the most powerful products available in the niche. Bosch comes with a 12-amp motor which will generate about 2.25 HP. You can handle most types of woodworking projects because of its adjustable speed. The tool is able to provide consistent performance on most types of materials. This is the reason it is the most popular all over the world. You will also like the structure of this best compact router. As it is fairly made of rugged aluminum. It also comes with the 1-year warranty as well. And finally at number 1. Bosch Colt PalmGrip PR20EVSK. It is one of the most suitable products available in the market. PalmGrip is the best option for you if you are looking for a best compact router that handles most of the jobs. It works flawlessly but tool uses variable speed system. The router has a quick lock system for much safety and soft start. These products are most reputable for their toughness. You can also customize its performance to satisfy the routing needs. On the other hand, it has also a finger support pocket as well as depth adjustment system for customizing the performance of the router. So, it is the best compact router in the market. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.